Hey everybody, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales. So this is a little bit different video. I want to show a prototype layout. So this will be the first layout of this trailer that has been produced. And this is actually a sold unit. So this unit is not, I repeat, this unit is not in inventory. This is a customer's unit that came and is actually headed to Arizona. So I'm going to do a video so that you can actually see this layout, this no slide layout. It's a 14-foot. It's kind of a neat layout. And so also this is a side load. So it's a Merhow 2022 14-foot no slide side load. This trailer actually has, which I want to video all the, I guess, details about it just for future reference. If somebody ever wants to add certain items, this trailer probably has every item that you could add minus a few. So I'm going to kind of go through just like I would do a sale video, but again, this is more for just people to see the product since we kind of can't get product on the lot anymore. So dual hydraulic jacks, they actually wanted the bigger propane tank, so that is an option that you can get. Another option I'll go ahead and say right now in a Merhow is you could do an enclosed front, and that would be that whole front would be enclosed. So another actual item they did not do but is an option. So they chose to do full extrusion. So that would be this aluminum that's rippled on the side of the trailer. It looks great. It really changes the look of a trailer. So this trailer has full extrusion. That's what we call it. They did choose to have the graphics package, which is the graphics that we have on the trailer. That's our new graphics. This is a 3-horse, as I said, a 3-horse side load. They chose to have a hay pod. So the difference is hay pod and hay rack. Hay pod's obviously going to be a big closed box. It has a lockable lid. Hay rack is just that, just a rack. So they've got a hay pod on this unit with a ladder. They chose to upgrade the tires and the wheels. So they basically have G-rated 14-ply tires on this trailer. That is something you can always do to upgrade. Another thing they did is upgraded their hot water heater to a 10-gallon. You can do that on any trailer. Your normal hot water heater in most trailers is 6, unless you specify to upgrade. Another upgrade I'm going to speak of real quick that you can do that a lot of people don't think about. You can upgrade your air condition unit to a 15,000 BTU from your standard 13.5. So just a couple of things that you don't really think about that you can upgrade. So as I said, oh, one other thing, they did put an Onan generator on this trailer. So the trailer has a generator rack and has a generator on top. And then your gas fuel intake is here on the side of the trailer. You also have a gauge on the side of the trailer. So basically that's where you would put your gas in. All right, so this is a full rear tack. So you can kind of see in here where you have the back of the gas tank. You've got 2 trays. You've got 3 saddle racks. You could add another one. That bar, you can add extra saddle racks there. Bridle hooks, you got a brush box, and you do have a big flip up step. So you can put extra bridle hooks on this. Again, full mid tack. No, that's not a full mid tack. It's a full rear tack. Sorry guys. So this is, as I said, a side load. So I'm just gonna kind of give y'all a little tour of a side load. All right, so basically this first stall, I wish you could kind of see this, it's huge. Actually, all the stalls are huge, but this last stall is super big. Again, this is a 3-horse, so it's got the mangers, and then it's got the lower divider. So as all of our trailers, mostly all of them, are fully lined and insulated, have roof vents, have the nice drop windows on the head side. They chose to put drop windows on the rear. So they've got 2 drop windows on the 2 rear and then a regular slider window on the door. So they chose to put the drop windows. All right, now you can kind of get a little bit better view. You can kind of see the generator and the hay pod a little bit better. The lighting's terrible today. I wish it was a better day for the video, but this trailer is leaving and heading out west, so I have no choice but to do it right now. All right, so I'm gonna step up in the LQ. Again, remember this is a 14-foot no slide. So I just kind of want to give you an idea of the space and what a no slide looks like, which I think it's got a lot of great space. I think a lot of people nowadays really like slides, but there are some great options that you can do. Let's turn that light on. All right, so what we've got is a rear kitchen. You got nice counter space, double stainless sink. You've got a glass top stove. This is cinnamon. The wood color is cinnamon. It's kind of a happy medium color. It's not too dark. It's not too light. It's got a good bit of cabinets in this unit. So you got cabinets up in the nose. You got cabinets all around the sides and then that back nose part. This has got a nice set of steps, nice big wide steps to get up to the bed. This is a nice coat closet. Actually, deep boots, coats, whatnot right there at the door, which is real accessible. This has a upgraded bigger TV that does swivel on an arm. Soft touch walls. Again, I didn't say this, but it's all real wood cabinetry in cinnamon. So let me kind of, because I know I've been moving around, so kind of give you a little idea. It's got a couch that makes a bed. There's drawers under that bed, cabinets above. It's got a little corner seat. Underneath that seat is a little pull-out ottoman. All right. Then as I said, rear kitchen. Then you've got the big fridge and a pantry behind you. And then you have your bathroom with a full walk-in closet, dome shower, sink and vanity. Nice walk-in closet. Let me kind of spin around. Pocket door. Now I can kind of give you a little bit view. Real pretty trailer. It's really fun to do an order for these people. You know, I can't keep trailers. Well, I don't get inventory trailers anymore. I've got, you know, pretty much ordered trailers, and it's kind of the way of the world. But I do miss having these trailers on the lot for customers to come and see. So I wanted to do this video so you can just see our product, kind of see what we do. Also to see that we have other layouts that are coming out. It's just the fact of the slowness with the manufacturing situation that we have. So this is a newer layout in the sense that we've done this corner seat. Anyway, 14-foot side load Merhow 2022. It is not for sale. Again, if you're just jumping in my video, this trailer is not for sale. This was for educational purposes, I guess, just to show off the product. So we're always happy to show what we make, what we do. Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. If you're interested in ordering a Merhow, would like to talk to me about the options, and unfortunately the timeline is not great right now, guys, but I'll be completely upfront and honest with you about it. So give me a call, 828-773-4500. Have a great day.